Hey you guys, it's Mary White with my Everyday Mary J Cooking Weed, and I want to show you how this beautiful stuff actually works because it's so freaking simple. When you get your beautiful little, container from the dispensary, just open it up like that, and look what's inside. The cannabis comes in a little sachet, right? So instead of decarbing the pod and then blah, 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 right? All you do is put this on a baking tray, cover it, bake it at 240 for about 20-30 minutes, take it out, put it in your either double boiler or pan over simmering water, and this is butter or oil, either one is fine, whatever you're making. Just plop it in there for 3 hours, take it out, do whatever you want with it at that point, and now you've got butter and oil that you can make cookies or tinctures or vinaigrette or anything you want to your specifications. And if you want 5 milligrams or if you want 1,000 milligrams, you do you. It's Everyday Mary J Cooking Weed. Get some.